Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, the Pantone Color of the Year, Living Coral. It's a fabulous, flower-friendly color. But how does it work in the color harmonies? Actually, absolutely fabulous. Just get out your color wheel and take a look. Coral would be in the red-orange family. Think about your harmonies. You can do monochromatic, so tints, tones, and shades of coral. Beautiful. You can do analogous, a 90-degree section of the wheel. Yellows to oranges to the reds. You can do a triad, 3 colors equally spaced on the wheel. Coral, green, violet. Or you can do complementary, 2 colors directly opposite. Coral and blue-green. Beautiful colors, beautiful to design with, and also fabulous with the on-trend living coral. For more, check out our website, flowerschool.com, and I'll see you next week on Tulip Tuesday.